Of late, the Association of Malayalam Movie Artists, or AMMA in short, had been in news for reasons mostly controversial. Now the new headache for the organization is actor and businessman Binish Kodiyeri, who has been arrested in connection with money laundering case. When Binish, a life member of AMMA since 2009, is facing such serious charges including drug deal, it is natural for the organization to take some action. It can't sit mum without lifting a finger to address the issue, since the organization had drawn flack even from insiders for the way in which it handled Dilip case. There are hints that AMMA executive members, including women, had strongly argued for expelling Binish from the organization, but later the organization came to the conclusion that there is no need for an immediate action against Binish. The organization said in a statement that it had decided to seek an explanation from Binish first. AMMA came to this decision after going through heated debates, disputes and verbal spats over Binish issue. Though AMMA President Mohanlal remained silent during the dispute among the members, he later agreed with CPM MLA and AMMA's office bearer Mukesh, who urged the AMMA executive members not to take any immediate action against Binish. Mohanlal also accepted Mukesh's suggestion that the organization could seek an explanation from Binish for the time being. However, actor Siddiq came out strongly against the move. Siddiq said that organization which had taken action against actor Dilip should not show double standards when it comes to Binish issue. Actor Baburaj also agreed with Siddiq that Binish should be expelled. However, Mukesh claimed that the circumstances surrounding Dilip's expulsion were different, as the actress, who was a member of the organization, had lodged a complaint against Dilip. Following this, Siddiq walked out of the meeting as he insisted on Binish Kodiyeri's expulsion from the organization. Meanwhile, the organization accepted the resignation of Parvati Thiruvur, who had submitted her resignation letter in protest against the remarks made by Idavela Babu about the victim in the actress assault case. News Desk, Kaumudi English.